Currently, more and more people tend to book rooms and services online, so hotel owners should be prepared to cope up with the hotel management. The best solution is the Hotel Management System software from Bigdbiz. Hotel management systems are developed not only for the customer interaction but also for improving the workflow in general. They help to monitor the internal process and provide high quality services. In the revenue management, it's simple to monitor the financial situation and understand where there's a time to take action and maximize the profitability. By this, owner can easily find out what it leads to gain or downfall. The reporting process. Forget about the building reports in Excel. Generally, reports via hotel management system is fast and simple. In addition, it's easy to collect the information about any metrics you would like to check. Staff task. In order to run a business, managers suddenly need to assign tasks to employees, and hospitality services are no different. Back office. In order to keep all the relevant details about the employees, hotel managers integrate their hotel management system with the staff management channel. Customer data. Currently, most successful business learn to personalize their customer experience. Hotel management system from Bigdbiz is a great resource for storing all the details about the guest, including their contact details, preferred payment methods, the rooms booked, and so on. Hotels usually send notification prior to the customer arrival, during their stay, and shortly after the checkout, so it's easy to collect the feedback and offer the additional services. Bigdbiz Hotel Management System becomes a great asset to the business, improving your team performance and helping to keep with the competitors. So if you want to have an online demo, kindly contact me through call or WhatsApp 9123 515 998, or if you want to have more details about the Bigdbiz Hotel Management System, currently visit our website www.bigdbiz.com. Thank you for watching this video.